Hey everyone, I am here today to unbox the September 2020 Pup Mom Crate. If you guys don't subscribe, it is the coolest box if you have dogs and you consider yourself the mother of the dogs, pretty much. So you are the Pup Mom Crate box. It's really, really neat. There's things in there for dogs, and then there's also things in there for their moms. So I haven't opened this one yet, but this one looks like it will be cute. They're all really cute. So the first thing is always at the top of their box, they always tell you how to share the love and to qualify for a next free box if you share your stuff. So what is in the September box? It looks like we have a bracelet. We've got freeze-dried lamb. Fingernail masks. Oh, that's cute. Dog ice cream. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then let's see here. We got a corn on the cob treat dispenser. We've got a toy. A pop socket for the back of your phone. And then it looks like dental chews. And then a birthday, which is really cute, a birthday cookie, because if it's your dog's birthday, then you'll get a cookie, and it's Max's birthday on September 3rd. So let's go ahead and check these out. So we've got fingernail masks. I've actually never heard of this. This is really neat. So to refresh and hydrate all aspects of your nails. Oh, that's great, because my nails are like really scary sometimes. Okay, this looks really cool. Ice cream for dogs. This is cool. Okay, so peel, add water, mix, and then freeze. And this is ice cream for dogs. That's really cute. Here is the pop socket for the phone. Oh, we have a toy. A little squeaky toy. That's definitely going to go to Rocky. Rocky's 9 pounds. He's a miniature pincer, and he's part Chihuahua, and his favorite thing is squeaky toys. He has, honestly, probably about 30. So we've got dental chews. That's actually great for Rue, because he won't let anybody brush his teeth. And we've got freeze-dried lamb. This is great. The corn on the cob treat dispenser to make them work for their treats. Let me get that one thing out. And then, let's see here. We've got a bracelet. Oh, it's got a little paw on it. That's precious. And then the happy birthday cookie, which is going to go to Max. So overall, that's everything that came in the box, and I'm always really thoroughly impressed with their boxes every single month. They always have wonderful things inside, and I love every single box that I get. We use everything that comes in the boxes, and I love that some of the little things are themed for dogs for the moms, like the bracelet. I love stuff like that because I'm always proud of my little babies. So again, that's the September box, and I am really, really impressed with it. And if you want to check them out at pupmomcrate.com.